is the capital of surfing, as you can see here. So, yeah. And I think those are the two big surfboards. So we're stopping at a store. So we're getting some sumen over here. So in the mountain they had a toilet. See, toilet? That's where the toilets are. This is in the mountain. You're in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna go take a look outside. Here it is. We're in the middle of the mountain. It's so scary, like we're lost. Going up and down those roads, my God, it's very steep, high. The cars just barely making it up the hills. It's crawling. It's crazy. It's scary. We got 2 more hours of driving in the mountain, up and down roads in the mountain. So we stopped here to take a break in the middle of the mountain, and they got bathrooms, but it costs you 5 pesos to go to the bathroom, as you can see right there. Where am I? Where am I? In the middle of the mountain. All you see here is mountain and power. That's it. You don't see no cell towers here.